ACD-5030 is an 8-rotor firefighting and delivery drone. It is made of carbon fiber from frame, propeller to thrower. The drone can mount 3 kinds of payloads together, such as day and night camera, extinguishing bombs, and speaker, with totally 50 kg payload for half an hour with anti-jammer function. Here, each extinguishing bomb is 20 kg filled with dry powder fire extinguishing agent or water, so totally 2 20 kg bombs together are okay to be mounted in the drone. The explosion coverage area of this bomb can be up to 70 square meters. Flight distance is more than 40 kilometers without payload normally. And the hovering time without payload is about 70 minutes, while carrying standard camera, it is about 60 minutes. This is the degradable environmental protection fire water bag mixed with extinguishing agent. One bomb can be up to 30 kilograms containing water from a rifle. You can see its obvious efficiency from the video. Besides, it can spray water at more than 60 m height, too, with hose connecting to fire truck or water from lake. Parachute is also okay to mount on drone in case of falling. What's more, it can carry and throw supplies like water, food, and tool over mountains to support rescuers.